If a friend of yours sent you a DM saying, hey, here's 750 completely free dollars, tell me that you wouldn't do everything that you possibly could to accept it. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 different apps that you guys can download today for completely free that will give you up to $750. So make sure you guys go ahead and watch till the end of this video without skipping around, and with that all being said, let's get right into it. Now, the first app I'm going to go ahead and recommend you guys to download, as you guys can see from my phone, is going to be AttaPoll. This is an app that is literally going to be giving you free money right now, provided you guys just go ahead and download it and follow a couple steps. The best part is that this app is available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Essentially what AttaPoll is, it's a super easy way to fill out some easy questions online and get paid from it. As you guys can see, I have over $160 in my AttaPoll balance, which if I go to my wallet right here, you guys can see I have made a bunch of money from just using this app and filling out some of these easy surveys. If I go back to the surveys bar right here, I want to show you guys an example of how easy it is to fill out one of these surveys. I'll just go ahead and click on this one right here. Approximately how many employees work at your organization? The answer is 1 because I'm self-employed. Do you possess a driver's license? Yes. I have no children and I am not pregnant. What are your household inevitable assets? I don't have any. Which of the following financial products do you own? Credit card, checking account, savings account, and that's it. Which of the following does not have wheels? So this is called a speed trap. Essentially what this is that the app is trying to make sure that the responses generated are actually authentic and actually good. So they don't want to let people essentially scam them. So when you guys do fill out surveys on AttaPoll, they will sometimes throw in little things like this that if you guys don't pay attention to, then and you answer wrong, then there is the potential to get your AttaPoll account banned, which we definitely don't want that. Which of the following that doesn't have wheels is obviously an elephant. So I'll go ahead and select that. And then just like that, my balance is now being updated. But after you guys download AttaPoll, if you want to make some completely free money from it where you don't actually have to fill out a survey, then what I would recommend doing is I'd recommend going to the My Profile section right here, going to where it says enter invite code, and then typing in this exact code just like this. If you guys don't want to type in a code, you guys could also just go ahead and download AttaPoll from the link in the description. But if you guys have already downloaded it, then you guys can go ahead and get some completely free money just by filling out this referral code. The referral code you guys are going to want to enter is going to be JCCGC. Once you guys hit continue, your balance will be rewarded with a free 50 cents, which then you can deposit into either a PayPal account or a Revolut account or into a gift card. So you guys can get like Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Home Depot gift cards, pretty much anything that you could want. The next app that I'm going to recommend to make some entirely free money off of your phone is going to be Eureka. Eureka is a free app that you guys can also download from the Google Play or the Apple App Store, or what I would recommend doing is downloading it from my link in the description, because when you guys do that, you will get a free $1 upon sign up. But as you guys can see, I have made over $400 with this app, which with the combined 2 apps previously, I've made over about $1,000 with AttaPoll, and I've made about $400 with this app, meaning that I have made around $1,500 with just these 2 apps. So you guys are getting put on some real good game today, but if you think these apps are good, wait to see the ones at the end of the video because they are absolutely going to blow you away. But the nice thing about Eureka compared to AttaPoll is that they have this offer section right here where you guys can do things like download apps and get paid up to $17, even $30, even $130 for just downloading and playing an app. So this is a super easy way to go ahead and play games from your phone and actually get paid for it. On top of that, they have cash outs for virtual Visa cards, for bank transfers, for PayPal, as well as for a ton of different gift card options. Plus, if you guys go ahead and sign up with my link in the description, you guys will get a free $1 upon sign up. So if you guys want to go ahead and support the channel, make sure to check out that link in the description. The next app I'm going to go ahead and recommend you guys to make some completely free money with is going to be SoFi. SoFi is an awesome banking app that you guys can use to do things like track your spending, check your credit, as well as do things like open stock accounts and Roths, as well as do loans for things like paying off your student loans or paying off your credit cards. But if we go to the top right here and we see this get $75 button and we click on this, as you guys can see, if you go ahead and sign up to SoFi with a referral link from somebody and you fund an account with a minimum of about $50, I would recommend about $100 within 14 days, then you will get a free $100 added to your SoFi balance. Meaning that with just this one app, if you guys go ahead and follow those exact steps, you guys will get a free $100 for just signing up. So I'm going to go ahead and include my SoFi link in the description as well as the pinned comment. But if you guys know a friend who has a SoFi account, you can go ahead and use theirs so that they can get the free money along with you. And if you guys want to go ahead and support the channel, because for full transparency, I will also get a kickback for AttaPoll and Eureka, but I genuinely would not recommend these apps if I didn't think that they were worth your time. So if you guys want to support the channel and support me and what I do, as well as making yourself some free money while you're at it. Those are 3 apps that you guys can go ahead and download today to literally make up to over $1,500 in completely free money. I doubled the amount of money that I said that I could have made you at the start of this video. So if that doesn't even convince you to hit that subscribe button with turning on post notifications, I don't know what will, because on this channel, I drop nothing but entirely free game for you guys, so you guys can make as much free money as possible. With that all being said, thank you so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to click on this video that you can see right here, right now.